Afriforum, a civil rights group, has requested authorities to look into claims made by Julius Malema, the leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, that he stole money from the now-closed VBS Mutual Bank. Before we continue, please kindly hit on the subscribe button. In a press conference, Kriel, CEO of Afriforum, said that new information had reignited suspicions over Malema's role in the VBS incident. Kriel stressed that the public should be made aware of whether or not public officials participated in the theft that caused the bank to fail. He went on to say that the purported money theft damaged banking institutions' reputation in addition to hurting depositors. 2018 saw the placement of the low-income VBS Mutual Bank and municipalities under curatorship after the discovery of around $2 billion in embezzlement. Investigations later on revealed the involvement of politicians and other prominent figures in the plot. Melema has always denied any connection and described the accusations as assaults with political motivations. Kriel demanded that the National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, and the Hawks give the inquiry top priority. In order to track the alleged financial trail connected to Melema and his accomplices, he further recommended that an impartial forensic audit be carried out. According to Kriel, accountability and transparency are essential to rebuilding public confidence. Vuyani Pambo, the party spokeswoman, replied forcefully on behalf of the EFF, denouncing Afriforum's request as a baseless attempt to tarnish the EFF's reputation. Reiterating Malema's earlier claims, Pambo said that neither the party nor himself had received any illegal money from VBS Bank. Legal and financial experts have stepped in as the controversy heats up, pointing out that a comprehensive probe may either prove serious misconduct or exonerate Melema. The public's opinion is still split. Some want quick justice, while others continue to believe Melema is innocent until she is shown to be wrong. Regarding whether it would revisit the case or launch fresh investigations in light of Afriforum's appeal, the NPA has not yet provided a statement. The results of this request for information might have a significant impact on the political climate in South Africa, as well as the battle against corruption. Once more, on X, the social networking site that was formerly known as Twitter, a storm is about to blow up. Users are engaged in a heated argument over allegations that Julius Malema, the leader of the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, got millions of dollars from an unreliable source. Even though these claims are unverified, they have sparked a contentious discussion among users that has exposed long-standing conflicts and raised concerns about the integrity of South Africa's democratic system. Melema was originally a strong opponent of the controversial Vuyani water project, but an ex-user said that she stopped speaking after claiming to have received millions from Vuyani Majola of LTE Consulting, a person who is accused of corruption. According to the user, Malema's front firms received the money, implying that financial incentives caused him to change his position. As usual with Julius and the EFF, it's all about the money, don't worry about people, the user said. It is important to remember that these assertions are unproven and have not been supported by any hard data. Another ex-user vehemently backed Melema in response, asking the accuser to provide real evidence instead of depending on what they called racially biased accusations. The defender shot back, emphasizing how divisive the debate is, saying, "Surely, if you've got enough evidence to prove in a court of law that Julius is corrupt, why don't you and your white investigative reporters open a case against him and the EFF to the police to prove that Melema is guilty of wrongdoing?" This disagreement over X highlights larger social divides and the seriousness of accusations of corruption in South Africa's political system. Malema's followers' ardent defense of him and his opponents' equally vehement charges depict a country struggling with problems of responsibility and confidence in its leadership. It becomes clear as the argument rages on that the public is quite interested in how these discussions turn out. The key topics that come out of this dispute are the need of evidence-based discourse and the judiciary's responsibility in resolving claims of corruption. In what is perhaps the wealthiest neighborhood in Johannesburg, a legal drama is taking place as well-known supporter Dali Mpofu and his better half, Mpumi, engage in a bloody legal battle to force Mpofu's sister via marriage out of their marital residence in the exclusive Houghton bequest. The dispute, which has captured the interest of the legal neighborhood and the broader public, is based on Mpumi's sister's alleged ownership over the Mpofu family house.